what is the ABC of cyber security? See, very interesting slide. You must concentrate on this ABC of cyber security. A stands for always log out after online transaction. Keep in mind. Then B stands for be careful what you click in the internet. Then C stands for clear cookies and delete browsing history at the end of each session. Do not carry your PIN number in wallets. That is called D. Then E stands for enlighten yourself on cyber security measures. F stands for follow basic rules of social networking to protect online relationships. G stands for giving your personal information online is not advisable. Then H for HTTPS, Hypertext Transfer Protocol for security. Then I stands for install latest antivirus protection. J stands for join hands to stop spreading fake news. K stands for keep software updated. L stands for lock your devices when not in use. M stands for monitor your accounts for any suspicious activity. N stands for never believe forwarded messages without checking source. O stands for only install apps and software from trusted sources. P stands for pay extra attention when using public Wi-Fi. Wi-Fi is nothing but wireless fidelity. Q stands for quarantine all unused apps. R stands for report to police in case of cyber crime. S stands for scan any downloaded file before opening or using or installing. T stands for think before you click. U stands for use strong passwords with personal acronym. V stands for verify with whom you are interacting online. W stands for watch out for online scams. X stands for extra precautions for your online financial transactions. Y stands for your precautions will make your cyber safe. Z stands for zero participation in dark web. This is the ABC of cyber safety. So cyber security can be categorized into 5 distinct types. That is Internet of Things. Internet of Things is nothing but collection of interconnected real-time objects in a network is called Internet of Things. And critical infrastructure security means data centers, how you are providing security. Application security, various apps you are using in mobile and system, how you are going to protect. Network security, what type of security you are providing in the network level, host level and data level. Then cloud security is nothing but whenever you are connected to the internet, you need to check what type of security we are using in cloud level security. Cloud is nothing but internet based technology. If you see cyber security threats, so, which one is the highest percentage likely to affect? Need to understand better. See, cyber security threats, you can expect 64% virus. Virus stands for vital information resource under seas. Then spyware, 52%. Phishing, 52%, and firmware hacking 34%, internet protocol spoofing 32%, ransomware 31%, attacks on virtualization 30%, social engineering 26%, hardware based attacks 26%, denial of distributed service 24%, internet of things based attacks 23%, botnets 22%, rootkits 21%, man in the middle attacks 20%, SQL injection, structured query language injection. These are the cyber security threats in the year 2022 expected likely to affect our systems, networks, and data centers.